Hey guys, back again with another video, and today I'm gonna tell you the automatic glitch. So this automatic glitch is actually the same as auto shoot. Auto shoot is not now available. Instead of over here on the camera button, beside it there is auto shoot. So auto shoot is actually kill anything, but you can't kill mobs because it doesn't actual sensor to take that. Only enemies can just kill. So it doesn't work. Auto shoot doesn't kill. So the same sound is like that, but anyways. So let's just now try out this glitch. It sounds actually. My sound is the same. Okay. So guys, as I was saying, this glitch is using with any sniper, but not with rifle snipers, or like this one, or maybe this one. So it's like this. Okay, you just open your inventory weapon, this one, and then press the bullet from the gun. Okay, press this before you can press any gun what you want, like this plasma mac, or maybe this plasma rifle, and then it shoots all by itself. If you want to make the sound, just chainsaws, or maybe something else, maybe. So this works. It doesn't work a bit. So the glitch a bit works kind of a bit. So now that's it. The glitch. With no sound, but it really works. Let's try this one. I just pick my arm like that. So it doesn't make any sounds for some reason. Well, for that. Okay. So let's just stop this. To stop it, just press that bullet gun on the Molotov and the grenade and the bombs. Okay. So that is the tutorial how to do the glitch. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next video.